am back with another rainbow haul. You know I absolutely love rainbow. Ooh, my hair is so uneven. My hair is a victim to humidity right now, so it's a little uneven, but it's super cute. I just did it like so. I actually posted a video about it, but like the curly part, it's just really, the humidity is just sucking my curls back up, so it's a little uneven. Please ignore it. When it is less humid and wet outside, I will fix it. But like I was saying, I have another rainbow haul for you guys. This is like my last like summery haul. Like I've already kind of started transitioning to getting my fall clothes in line, but I do have a couple summer items still, just because they were on sale and I thought they were cute. So one of the first items I have gotten, I actually have on right now. So it's this off the shoulder shirt with this ruffly thing. It's really cute. I like the print. The colors are super cute. It's such a color that it'll work for fall, even though it is a summer dress. I'm actually going to put it a little bit on the shoulders right now, just because that's what it's going to do when I start picking these clothes up. But you can wear it off the shoulder or on the shoulder. It's a really cute dress. It's a fitted dress, but it is not too fitted. It's not like a glove fitted, but it just shapes your form. So it's super cute. Now I'm gonna move into the rest of my stuff. It's a big pile right next to me over here. So the first thing I have for you guys is I got like some sheer stuff. I don't know, like sometimes I just feel like I just want sheer clothing. Sheer stuff is super cute though. I really like this. This shirt is super sheer. It has these like this stitching in it with these flowers on it. It's really pretty in detail. Everything is a size 1X. There's only one item that's a 2X, and I'll let you know when I get there. But I do feel it's really pretty in the detail. And with sheer shirts, they give you a lot of options, because like sheer shirts give you a chance to either be real classy, put a shirt under it, or you could just be out here living your life and put nothing under it and be like more on the sexy, sassy, possibly trashy side. So this is really cute. I really like this shirt. The next item I got this romper. It's actually, so Rainbow, their rompers, they really fit me weird. They either are too small in like the arms or in the stomach, or they just don't fit right. So this particular romper actually is one of the first ones that actually fit. If anything, a little bit too big. It's a little baggy, so it's just a plain blue romper. I got it because, you know, with stuff that's plain, you can really jazz it up with like dramatic makeup, like a big bulky necklace. But this actually fits a little loose. I'll still keep it because it's gonna be really comfortable. This is great for just throwing something on, like going to the grocery or going out like to just run errands. It does have a drawstring on it, which you would think would help it fit, but this drawstring is so fake. It doesn't do anything. It's like got an off the shoulder thing. It's a cute romper. It's plain. It's a little big, so that does run big, which you don't really see that too often where stuff runs too big. Usually it's like true to size, or if anything a little small. I also got this. I got a couple of like activewear items for the upcoming cooler weather. So I got this jacket because I thought it'd be really cute for the weekends. It says boss because I'm a boss. So I got this boss jacket. It's really cute. I would definitely wear this probably with like some leggings. They did have matching jogging pants, but I didn't want the jogging pants. I just wanted the jacket because, like I said, I'm a boss. This is the 1-2X item that I got. This is a love hoodie. I got it in a 2X because, so if you haven't heard, if you haven't been keeping up with my channel, I have a dog. Her name is Princess, and when I take her out sometimes in the morning, I just want to be able to throw something on real quick. So I got this in a 2X, expecting it to be like a little bit baggy, a little bit longer, but this is not as baggy as I would have hoped. It's like long enough where I could probably wear it with no pants, but I shouldn't wear it with no pants. It's like choices. I don't know what choice I make. I probably honestly will wear it with no pants, because once I literally went out there with like just a long piece of cloth, because I'm going to start making my own skirts. So a long piece of cloth that I had got for a skirt, I just tied it around my waist with a t-shirt on and took her out. So sometimes I make weird choices, but this I will hopefully put some pants on. Maybe I won't, who knows. But this is really comfortable, and I got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna try and get through it quickly, but you guys know I can be rambly sometimes. I got this really cute top. It's another sheer top. I love that it has like the layered ruffle sleeves. This is really cute. The bottom part is like black mesh. It's super super see-through. But this is something that, like, if you put a top under it, it'd be really cute for work. I definitely would not suggest wearing it without a top under it, like without a liner under it, if you're gonna wear it to work. Another great shirt I got, I can't even talk right now. It has really cute ruffles on the sleeve. It's this pink, it's a plain hot pink shirt with a ruffle sleeve. I think this is really cute, very versatile. You can wear it with a lot of different things. I got a lot of really busy pants, so I could wear it with that because I be needing plain tops for that busy life. And if you guys have seen any of my other hauls, you know my latest obsession is shirt dresses. I thought this one was so cute. It's so classy. And let me tell y'all how it came out the bag perfectly pressed. This is like so wrinkle free. I don't even know how they managed that because it's been folded up in this bag. But I think these appliques are really cute. It's really lightweight. It's super professional. It's like something you can wear. You know, it's a really simple outfit that you can put on. That's really cute. This dress is really one of my favorites out of this haul. I think it is really, it's like it's a trick. It's a trickery dress. I can't say, originally I thought I may be able to wear it to work, but I don't really know if it would be considered work appropriate. Probably not. But this is, I love the way this red looks on my skin. I love that. And it's like a fake wrap dress. So as you can see, like the top is got the wrap part, and then it has the stitching like it's a wrap, but it's not. It's actually stitched together along the seam, and it goes all the way down to your ankles, but the split goes like up to somewhere on your thigh. It looks really cute. It's a really sexy dress. It flows nicely. It complements the shape. I definitely really like that dress. I think that looks really good. I got this shirt. I normally am not a big like shirt person. I don't wear pants that often. I'm getting more into wearing pants again though, but I usually wear like a lot of dresses or like leggings with like really long tops. But this is just a regular top. It's a regular off the shoulder top. I thought that the coloring and the print was really pretty. That's why I got this shirt. It does have tie sleeves. I just did not tie the sleeves because I'm lazy. But it looks really, really cute on. I got a second shirt dress, and this shirt dress is so cute. I've got it all tangled up though. I don't know where the top is from the bottom. Okay, here's the top. So this is really cute. I love the print. It's like a bold yellow print. I feel like it might be inside out, but that's okay. It's a bold yellow print with these gorgeous like reddish pink flowers, and it's black and yellow. I think this would be really good for like fall, maybe even winter. You can pair it with, and I did pair it with in my video, a red jacket and maybe like some black leggings, and really prolong like your length of wear out of that particular outfit. So I think that's cute. Then I got me one of those church shirts. This shirt is so cute. So it has a bejeweled neckline with like the sleeves are kind of like a cape. So I feel like this would be like perfect for like church. Like in church you see some like really fussy outfits. I definitely think this is a really cute church top. Personally, I'm probably gonna wear it to work too, but I think it's super cute. It's got like the right level of drama and like bedazzled bling on it to make it just perfect for basically any occasion. The next shirt I got is another Boss shirt. I don't know, I guess when I placed this order I was in a Boss kind of mood. I am frequently in a mood. Not always the Boss mood, but it's a mood almost always. So this says, act like a boss. It's super sporty looking. It's very cute. It's also super comfortable. It has a nice stretch to the cotton. And then the back says boss, and then it has a number on it. I can't even tell what this number is. 95. I was not born in 95, but if I was, that would have been cute. That would have been so cute. But I wasn't born in 95, so that missed the mark. I was born before that. Then I got this super cute like kind of like cape-ish sweater kind of deal. So it's super long. I paired it with a camisole. It's like a camisole that is, I don't know, it's too big, it's too long, but it looks really nice. It would look really cute with like a plain dress under it, and then you put this on as a topper, or even as it get cooler you could put like leggings or pants with it with the top. That would be super cute. These pants are so cute. I love this print, and these are really comfortable. Like the last couple of hauls, like some of the pants kind of like this, like these Balazzo, no, not Balazzo, what am I thinking? palazzo and like gaucho pants, they have like been fitting weird in certain areas, but these fit so comfortably. They do have a short inside of it so that you know it won't be see-through, but it's really comfortable. It's kind of lightweight, but you can always put like tights or leggings under it to thicken it up as the weather turns cooler. And then in preparation for that cooler weather, I also got this really cute mauve pleather jacket on sale. I love the ruching that it has. It has some ruching in the front. It looks really nice. It was on sale, and I thought that it looks really cute with like these pants. Like, even though I'm not that likely to wear the pants and jacket as like an outfit indoors, I definitely will pair that together for like a complete look for the day. I love having like looks, so I love when my coat complements my outfit. I know that's a bit extra, but sometimes I am a bit extra if I'm being honest. I got another pair of those palazzo like pants. These are also super comfortable, and they also conveniently match that jacket. But these also the exact same, have the shorts inside. It fits really well. It's super lightweight, super comfortable, super cute. I really like those. Next, I got some Bermuda shorts in a size 14. These fit, but I'm gonna put a but on there. They were tight, and like, I don't know if it was me, if it was the shorts. It's probably a combination of both. I think they could be cut a little bit more generously in the waist. I think that's like they say they're stretching. They do stretch, and I mean I can button them and zip them. They're just not comfortable. But I also know that I have been living my probably worst life as far as eating anything that I want. I'm about to go to the movies, which is why I have this dress on with this fabulous makeup, and I'm probably gonna get some concessions if I'm being really honest. And all weekend I've been like cheating on my healthy eating. I've been eating very unhealthy, so I think it's a combination of me and Rainbow. I'm gonna put more of the blame on Rainbow because I just am not gonna accept that blame right now. And then I got this really cute like open vest. It's kind of like a kimono, but it's not because it's a short jacket. It ties in the front. It looks really cute on. I love the color, and I think yellow looks so good on me. Like, yellow and me are like match made in heaven. Absolutely love this. I also got some shorts. These shorts are a size 1X, but the 1X is the size 14, 16 at Rainbow. If you lean towards 16, these shorts will not fit you. They are really cute. They kind of short though. They're a little bit of hoochie shorts, but I think they are very cute. I really like this flower applique they have on them, and I like the kind of deconstructed hem at the bottom of the shorts. But they do fit snug. Like, another example of I can get it on, I can get it zipped, I can get it buttoned, but I just feel like it could be a lot more comfortable. They do have stretch to them, but I just wasn't that comfortable. I'm all about comfort these days. Like, I like to look really cute, but I also look to be really, really comfortable. My throat just got so dry. Let me swallow some spit because I'm not going to get no water. Woo, okay. I got to get through this because I need some water because I am parched. I am so parched. I done lost my train of thought. The next thing I have is this romper. This romper actually would have been to die for. It actually fits perfectly. The only place where it doesn't fit me is in these sleeves. These sleeves are just a touch too small. They're very uncomfortable. It squeezes my arm. My arm is chunkier right here. It squeezes my arm. This kind of material does not have any give, any stretch, and this kind of material is typically my enemy. Like, literally, I cannot lie, this material gives me the worst of the trouble. So when I ordered it, I had suspicions that it may not fit, but the material everywhere else is very flowy. It's very pretty. It's just these sleeves. I can't with these sleeves. But like I said, I haven't been living my best life right now, so I am planning to get my life back together starting Monday. So hopefully, if I lose a few, it will fit these arms, baby, because then I'm gonna be up in business if it's still not too cold to wear it. Then I got the cutest dress. This dress is so pretty. It's like, it's got a mesh overlay, and it has like the underdress sewn into it. It's very pretty. This is like a dress you could definitely wear year round. It kind of gives me like, I want to say not geisha vibes, but like, you know how like, it's just like that, I don't know. like, it's not a geisha, but it's kind of like a Asianish vibe, like with the way the collar is made, where it goes up. Then you have the short sleeves, and it's got the nice print. I don't know, I'm just really feeling it. I think it's really cute. And then I got the cutest jackets. I actually got, ooh, your girl almost choked. All right, so this is the pink jacket. It is a pink denim material. It's kind of like a loose fit kind of denim jacket. I think this would be a great compliment to a lot of outfits, especially as the weather cools down. This would be great to just throw on over like whatever I have on for the day. So in that same spirit, I also got the same jacket in blue. I thought that the blue was really pretty. I wasn't gonna, this is the one I was on the fence about getting, because I said, well, if I get a blue jean jacket, do I really need this blue jacket? But it was such a great price, I couldn't pass it up. It was in my size, and I was just like, I have to have it. So I also got this jacket. And then this is actually the last item of today's haul, which is one of my favorite jackets that I got. I got this ripped up, deconstructed jean jacket. So it's ripped, and the back is also ripped. It's super cute. It's super cute. I know you can see me. But yeah, it's super cute. I really like this jean jacket. I do feel like the jean jacket looks really, really good with like pretty much almost everything. Like, I threw it on over this dress. I'm actually going to take it with me to the movies. It looks good with this. This is one of my go-to jackets for when I'm going out. So I definitely love that. But overall, I felt like this was a really good haul. It was a really good end of summer haul. It's like that transition between summer to fall. You want to find cute summer clothes you can still wear now, but as it cools down, you want to be able to like transition those clothes to something that you can continue to wear in the cooler weather. I have a lot of tricks for transitioning like my summer clothes to fall, even to winter, which I can't share with you guys if you are interested in that. But you gotta let me know down in those comments if you would love to see how I like am able to wear a lot of my clothes year round. Honestly, I don't really have specific summer, winter, and fall clothes. The only thing that are specifically winter are like really heavy jackets. But other than that, I pretty much wear most of my clothes year round. So like I said, if you want to know more about that, let me know in the comments, and I will definitely put together a video about that. I do want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it, give it that thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel so you can check out all of my content, all of my cool, fun posts. And yeah, I would love to get to know you guys a little bit better, interact with you guys, kind of build our relationship, build us a family. We can be a virtual family. So yes, subscribe to my channel, and if you already are subscribed, I love my virtual family. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that all of you guys, subscribed and unsubscribed, have a wonderful day. But ultimately, I would love it if you subscribe, because then you will have an even better day, because then you can keep up with me. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.